NASA has just issued a warning about a massive asteroid speeding through space, and scientists are watching it closely. While the chances of impact remain low, this space rock is large enough to cause serious destruction if it ever changed course. So what exactly is this asteroid? How close will it come to Earth? And why is NASA tracking it so carefully? In the next 30 seconds, we'll break down everything you need to know about this potential cosmic threat. Today we will talk about NASA just issued a warning about this asteroid. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. A new asteroid warning has captured global attention. In recent weeks, NASA has once again drawn worldwide attention to the growing danger posed by near-Earth asteroids. Scientists from NASA's Planetary Defense Coordination Office have been carefully monitoring a massive space rock traveling through our solar system at extraordinary speed. While the agency emphasized that there is currently no immediate threat of collision with Earth, the warning has sparked intense curiosity and concern among scientists, astronomers, and the public alike. The asteroid, identified through advanced telescopic observations and tracking systems, is considered potentially hazardous because of both its size and its orbital path. NASA frequently monitors thousands of asteroids every year, but only a small percentage receive this level of attention. When experts issue alerts about a particular object, it usually means that the asteroid's future trajectory deserves close observation due to the possibility of gravitational shifts, orbital changes, or future encounters with Earth. 2. What makes this asteroid so dangerous? The asteroid currently being tracked by NASA stands out because of its enormous size, velocity, and classification as a near-Earth object, commonly known as an NEO. Scientists estimate that this object could measure hundreds of feet wide, making it large enough to destroy entire cities if it ever impacted Earth. The kinetic energy generated by an asteroid collision is almost unimaginable. Because these objects travel at incredible speeds, the force of impact can equal thousands of nuclear bombs exploding simultaneously. NASA scientists use advanced computer simulations to estimate what could happen if an asteroid of this scale were to strike Earth. Depending on the impact location, the consequences could include shock waves, earthquakes, tsunamis, fires, and massive atmospheric disruption. 3. How NASA detects and tracks asteroids. NASA uses some of the most advanced technology in the world to detect and monitor asteroids traveling near Earth. Powerful observatories, located across the globe, scan the night sky every evening, searching for moving objects that might pose a threat. Space-based telescopes also contribute to asteroid detection by observing areas of space difficult to monitor from Earth due to sunlight or atmospheric conditions. Once an asteroid is discovered, astronomers begin calculating its orbit using repeated observations over time. Every additional observation helps improve accuracy and reduce uncertainty regarding the object's future position. NASA collaborates with international space agencies, universities, and observatories to create a global asteroid tracking network capable of monitoring thousands of objects simultaneously. Artificial intelligence and automated detection software now play a major role in identifying potentially hazardous objects faster than ever before. 4. The history of asteroid impacts on Earth. Asteroid impacts are not merely science fiction scenarios. They're a real part of Earth's history. Scientists believe that millions of years ago, a massive asteroid struck Earth near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This catastrophic event is widely believed to have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs by triggering global climate changes, enormous fires, and massive atmospheric dust clouds that blocked sunlight for months or years. Throughout Earth's history, smaller asteroid impacts have occurred far more frequently than most people realize. In 1908, the Tunguska event in Siberia flattened more than 80 million trees across a vast area after an asteroid or comet exploded in the atmosphere. More recently, in 2013, The Chelyabinsk meteor exploded over Russia with a force stronger than many nuclear weapons, injuring over 1,000 people primarily, due to shattered glass caused by the shockwave. 5. NASA's planetary defense strategies. One of the most fascinating aspects of modern space science is humanity's growing ability to defend Earth from asteroid threats. NASA has developed several planetary defense strategies designed to prevent catastrophic impacts in the future. One of the most groundbreaking missions was the Double Asteroid Redirection Test, commonly known as DART. In this mission, NASA intentionally crashed a spacecraft into an asteroid to test whether humanity could alter the trajectory of a dangerous object in space. The mission was considered highly successful and proved that kinetic impact technology could potentially redirect hazardous asteroids away from Earth if detected early enough. Scientists are also researching additional defense concepts, including gravity tractors, laser deflection systems, and even nuclear explosive devices designed to change an asteroid's course. Timing is the most critical factor in planetary defense. 6. Public reactions and media attention. Whenever NASA issues a warning about an asteroid, public interest rises dramatically. Social media platforms quickly become filled with speculation, fear, conspiracy theories, and sensational headlines. Many people immediately assume that an asteroid warning means Earth is facing imminent destruction, even though NASA typically emphasizes that most monitored asteroids pose no immediate threat. Movies and television have also influenced public perception of asteroid impacts, often portraying dramatic end-of-the-world scenarios involving massive explosions and global chaos. While such depictions can exaggerate reality, they are based on legitimate scientific concerns about the destructive power of large impacts. Experts often stress the importance of separating scientific facts from online misinformation. 7. Could humanity survive a massive asteroid impact? The survival of humanity after a major asteroid impact would depend largely on the asteroid size, composition, speed, and impact location. Smaller asteroids might destroy cities or regions, but would not necessarily threaten civilization as a whole. However, extremely large asteroids could produce global consequences capable of affecting climate, agriculture, infrastructure, and ecosystems for years. Scientists studying impact scenarios estimate that a sufficiently large collision could send massive amounts of dust and debris into the atmosphere, reducing sunlight and triggering what is often called an impact winter. This could lead to widespread crop failures, food shortages, and global economic collapse. Coastal impacts might generate gigantic tsunamis capable of devastating entire shorelines across multiple continents. 8. The future of asteroid monitoring and planetary defense. The future of asteroid detection and planetary defense is expected to become far more advanced over the coming decades. NASA and other international space agencies are already developing next-generation telescopes capable of identifying smaller and more distant asteroids than ever before. Artificial intelligence will likely play an increasingly important role in analyzing massive amounts of observational data and detecting unusual orbital patterns. Future missions may involve robotic spacecraft stationed specifically to monitor and intercept hazardous objects approaching Earth. Some scientists even believe humanity could eventually establish permanent planetary defense systems designed to respond automatically to emerging threats. Now, if you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.